Good morning, all of you. Now, today we want to discuss about identities. Okay, standard identities we want to learn. It's very important. So, before discussing that standard identities, we can discuss about what is mean by identity and what is the difference of identity and an equation. Okay, so consider one an expression a plus 1 into a plus 2, then that's equal to, when we simplify this, okay, one binomial, when we multiply another binomial and we simplify this, we will get a into a plus 2 plus 1 into a plus 2. That means a into a plus 2 plus 1 into a plus 2. This will get a square plus 2a plus 1 into a plus 1 into 2. So after simplification, last we can write it is a square plus 2a plus a. It will be 3a plus 2. Okay. Now here we got, that is this side a plus, when we simplify a plus 1 into a plus 2, we got a square plus 3a plus 2. Okay. So it is an identity. That means when for any values of a, we will get the LHS left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. Okay, that is mean by an identity. When we give any value for the given variable a, suppose if a is equal to 3 or a is equal to 10, what will be its value in left hand side and what will be its value in right hand side? Are they equal or not? If they are equal, both sides, if they are equal, then only it will be an identity. Okay, so consider one, if for a is equal to 2, what will happen? For the value a is equal to 2, for a is equal to 2, what will be this left hand side? First we can find out left hand side LHS. We can shortly write it as LHS. LHS will be equal to, instead of a we want to give 2. That means 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2. Okay, that will be equal to 2 plus 1, 3 into 2 plus 2, 4. We will get 12. Now, for the same value a is equal to 2, what will be RHS, or right hand side will be RHS will be equal to a square means 2 square. 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus 2. Okay, so that will be equal to 2 square we know 4 plus 2 into 3, 6, then plus 2. So 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So for both LHS and RHS, we got the same value 12. So what we can say, this is an identity. So suppose if you give any other value for a, okay, suppose if I, instead of a, if I give a is equal to 10. If a is equal to 10, what will happen? LHS will, when a is equal to 10, LHS will be equal to 10 plus 1 into 10 plus 2. 10 plus 1. Okay, that is 11 into 10 plus 2, 12. Okay, 11 into 12 will get. So what is 11 into 12? 132 will get, left hand side will get 132. Same way, for a is equal to 10, what will be RHS? Okay, right hand side will be what? RHS will be equal to, if a is equal to 10. So a square will be 10 square. That means 100 plus 3 into a means 3 into a, 3 into 10. That is 30 plus 2. So 100 plus 30 plus 2, it will be 132. So in both cases, if you take any value for a, suppose if you take any other negative value for minus 5 or minus 3, instead of 10 and instead if you give minus 5 or minus 3, so when you check, you will get the RHS will be equal to LHS. Okay, so this type of statements in both sides equality, they are called equality. Okay, then what is the difference of identity and one equation that you know? Suppose in this case we got when you gave for a is equal to 2, we got a plus 1 into a plus 2 is equal to, we got 12. That is an equation. A plus 1 into a plus 2, we got 12. Only this will happen. A plus 1 into a plus 1 into a plus 2 is equal to 12. We will get only for the value if a is equal to 2. So such an equality is called, that is equation. But if you give any value, this type of a plus 1 into a plus 2 will be equal to a square plus 3a plus 2. This will be an identity. That means for any value of a, we will get same value for LHS and RHS. So that is the difference. This is an equation. This we can call it as an equation. Because it is possible only for, this will get 12 only for a is equal to 2. If you give a is equal to for another value, suppose a is equal to 10, it will not be true. Okay, so that is equation, but this is an identity. Now we want to discuss three main standard identities. First one is very important. All of you want to by heard that identity and how to form, how to derive that equation for identity, that also we can discuss. First one is a plus b whole square. What will be a plus b whole square? It's left hand side a plus b whole square, then what will be is right hand side. Then a plus b whole square we can write it as a plus b into a plus b. Okay, when we multiply a plus b 2 times, we will get a plus b whole square. So this will be equal to, when a binomial multiply by another binomial, how we can write? First a multiply with this a plus b multiply with a plus b. Okay, so it will be equal to a into a square plus a into b, ab plus b into a, ba or ab, both are same. ab plus b into b, b square. So this is equal to a square plus ab plus ab, it will be 2ab plus b square. So a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the first standard identity. Okay, a plus b whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now if you give any value for a and b, suppose a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. Then when we check for that values, a plus b, this LHS side, LHS will be equal to RHS. Okay, this is a standard identity. First standard identity is this, a plus b whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. Very important. All of you study this, how to derive this standard identity, and this both LHS and RHS you want to by heart and thorough you want to make it. Okay, a plus b whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. Just like other two standard identity also there, that we can discuss next class. Okay, thank you.